My name is Claudia Jebe. I'm the clinic director and psychologist at Reflections. Reflections is a private practice providing psychology, dietetics, assessments and workshops to the Illawarra and surrounding communities. Previously, the space was half this size. It was 2 rooms, a kitchen and a reception area. Even though we had it furnished nicely, you could see that the space was outdated. The walls were very yellow, there was stains on the roof tiles. It was a space where you knew that it was time for an upgrade. Right from the start, Innovatus personalised the whole experience for me. They met with me, asked me questions, they finalised little details that was only really a vision at the beginning. They were able to be respectful to my budget and be understanding at times where things got complicated with the pressures of 2020. Innovatus projects will get a full 10 out of 10 from me.